So hi everyone, let's wait for 10 to 20 seconds for people to get joined. So can you see the video clearly and do my voice clear? I hope my voice is clear. Thank you, Kalai. So, okay, I'll just get started. Why I wanted to show this. So I wanted to show the quality and because people are asking about lightweighted, how long it is. So I just wanted to show you. These are already posted, guys. So we have almost sold out. We have one or two pieces left. Actually, this is the model which came when we started Pretty Little Things. I guess I have every colors in that. So let me start. So this is one model. If you see, it is also a very not a heavy weighted. It's a light weighted, and if you see the color clearly, and this is one model. So we have dark blue in this. And okay, we start with this. This is also another peacock one. This is also medium weighted, and if you see, it is also what do you say? These are called German silver. So we have multicolors in this. So we have red. So the height of the earrings will look like this. This is multicolor. So you can wear for some kurta, salwar. It will be pretty. Green, blue, I guess this is the same maroon one. So coming to the next model. This is a medium, not a big jhumka. This is a medium jhumka. It is not angling. Okay, yeah, I guess it's focused. So this is another one. We have also colors in this. So this is a square based, and if you see, this is also not a heavy weighted. This is I feel it is a light weighted. So we have colors in this. This is a dark blue. You can see for the quality of this, and if you even what you do, it will not break that easily. Black. So you can see even the droppings also the color, the same color, black. It's been a very while now since we were in live. Green. This is multicolor, but in the base you can see maroon. This is a multicolor, and black in this. Right now I'm so focused on live, so if I missed out someone's comments or something, kindly bear with me. I will read. Everything is already in post, guys. You can actually look into it. I just wanted to show you for quality and some of the questions were there, so I wanted to answer those. So this is another type. So we also have colors in this. So this is one green, multicolor, and this is actually another one, completely green, blue, same I guess, sorry, blue. So we have only green, blue and multicolor in that. So next we move on to next model. So this is another one. This is also one pretty flower type earrings. I almost have all the colors in this. So maybe tomorrow I will try to show you a new organizer which I found recently. I have put all my collection in that. I find very easily to put up my collections in my boxes. Maybe tomorrow I will show you my organizers. So I have already these collections with me. This is one green, and we have different types. So the base will be of this white also we have. So this is also green. The same way red, multicolor, blue. We have we have only one or two pieces left, guys, because we already posted. We have only few left with us. And another one pretty model, I guess, which I already shown in the first. We have seen blue color in that. The same way this is multicolor. This is one pretty, and this looks off. If you look like from outside, it will look like some round shape, but actually this is off. This is also a medium weighted, I say. This is not heavy weighted, medium weighted, I would say. And this is another one different model. The same way, this also looks off. This is one blue. So next we will move. I guess we have covered that. This I have showed you. This I have showed you or not, I don't remember. So this is one flower type. So we have colors in this, only green and black. Okay, so moving to smaller one, we have button type. So we have multicolor in this, red in this, sky blue. For long neck and all, you can wear these type of big earrings. So you can just wear one big earrings and go on. You don't need to put some neck pieces and all. This is one green and blue. Okay, I almost covered. Next we move on to these crystal earrings. So this is one pretty yellow. I have almost taken each pair for myself as well. Maybe tomorrow I will show you my collections. So this one is pink. So this is pretty, I don't say, kind of turquoise blue. So dark blue. I love the shades because if you see, different kinds of blue is there. Actually this is you can see this is darker than this. I love the combination here. And this one pink. This is one another combination, green and green. This is also already posted, no? So these are for 199, guys. Everything whatever I'm showing you are for 199. So this is one. So this one, you can see this is one cute pink, and this is not heavy weighted as well. This is button type, and you can see even you can keep for a long time, guys. This will not go fade even if you keep outside as well. But I don't know, you should not keep outside if you are living around sea areas. This is one another. So this is another one cute model. So this one we almost sold out. We have only 3 left. This is already in page. Okay, I will show you one how it looks like. You can see the quality. This will be neatly finished, and you can see it looks like this backside, and it is not heavy weighted as well, very lightweight. Then we have red. The red is so pretty, right? Actually, I have taken it. This one also. Yes. So this is our signature model, guys. So the magazines everywhere we have kept this as our page earrings. This is our signature model. We plan to sell it. Uh, okay. Sorry. Okay, sorry guys. Maybe I don't know why volume is high. Still, I don't know why. Just a moment. No, you just switch off the fan. Okay, maybe. Yeah, I guess now I'm come back. So this is one another model. This is our signature model. Okay, this one. Maybe the background voice is too much. That's why my voice is pretty low, I guess, because my phone is perfectly working. It's This is one another model. This is also um, not a heavy weighted, guys. So this we have yellow, green, sorry, blue, pink, three colors. Okay, this is only three colors we have. This is also already posted, I guess. So I finished this. Okay, let's move on to this Meenakari. Actually, we didn't post this Meenakari. In Meenakari sale, during Meenakari sale, we found out later only, but it is already posted in our page. Check it out. And this is very lightweighted, guys. Actually, you will not feel like wearing it. It is very lightweighted. So this we have colors in this. Can you sit and help me? So focus. This is one, color I can't say this is blue and green combination. So this is another one, white and sky blue. Okay, bring it on. So this is one model. This one now left. So this is kind of yellow shade, yellow blue, sky blue. If you are looking for some combination of your kurta salwars, you can actually pick it up. So we have one left. Okay, coming to we will finish off. Okay, this is, you can open the chain. We'll finish off the daily wear. So we are planning to post. We already posted. So this is also already posted, it seems. This is one model. We have colors in this. We have same way. We have gold finish also, I guess. Okay. So you can see, complete design, how it looks. Sometimes picture you will not feel actually. When you come in live, you will see exact what we have. That's why I wanted to show you in live. You will see the quality and look of the earrings as well. Because sometimes picture will show something different than live, I feel. This is already posted. You can see dark greens because I'm not aware of prices and all. So we have colors in this. Sorry, colors. Whatever you have seen, you can see the same in gold one. I'm just showing it for sample. This is also already posted. Okay, sorry, gold hasn't been posted, it seems. So maybe I will show the, in live itself, the colors of gold. Pink. So this is one red. This is dangler only. It will. Okay, this is green. Wait, focus. What is the cost of this? So this is for 80, it seems. Okay. Gold. So that's it. We have colors. Okay, no, we have to finish that daily wear. So this is also daily wear. We actually planned for something late, but everyone asked for everything in same life, so I just, so we have colors in this. This is also already been posted. Okay, this is already been posted, guys. Guys, go and check it out. Okay, this is for 50, it seems. You can tell Soumya, actually. This is black. Okay, I will show from her hand itself. This is one blue, white, pink. Okay, thank you. And do we have any? Okay, the same way we have models. One is square type and one is round. This is almost sold out. This is also already been posted. The colors which I'm showing you are only available, it seems. Most of the things has been gone. You have stocks in that. Okay, she has stocks in that, guys. You can actually, look for the post. So she has many stocks in that. So right now I'm showing the colors. Yes, I guess I have started with what was this, German Silver Dark Dreams. Maybe once I finish the live, I will show you the overall. That time you can see, or once I finish off the live, also you can actually go and check it out. So you can see the colors because I guess that's pretty we finished, no? Okay. So we have few neck pieces left. I'll show you that and I'll wrap it off. So this is round type and we have colors in this. She has many stocks, guys. You can ping us. So don't worry about it. I thought this is the only stock, but we have more stocks on this. It has already been posted. You can check on the post. Okay, let's move on to the neck pieces. So the model which I'm showing you is already we have been posted and it has been restocked. So we restocked and it is moved out for people who've been asked. So we actually got 1 or 2 pair extra. So you can check it out. If you like, you can come and ask us. So we have model, you can see. This is on different model. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. 1, 2, 4 layers it seems. And this is another one. I hope the both are same, no? Okay, this is different it seems. Okay. The below you can see there is a heart it seems. Okay, this one is, you guys all know this one is pretty old. This is like everywhere you can see this has been universal neck piece. So this one we have. Okay, another piece is this one. This one is the best seller of our neck pieces actually. So this we have only 2 left right now. This is also already been posted. We have only neck pieces left. This time we didn't get the earrings with the manufacturer. We got neck pieces left. So you can check it out. Okay. This one is different. Okay, this is also different it seems. We can check. The middle one is different from the previous one. Okay. How it looks. This is pretty covered. This will be good for your salwars. This is also kind of best selling piece for us. Okay, the bigger one is there. Only one bigger one is there. So this one is the bigger one. You can match it up or you can wear alone this look like this medium one, I can say. The long wear. This is also pretty weighted, guys. This looks good. You can see for the quality. We almost covered. And bracelets you want to show? No. Okay, I'll wrap up then. Maybe I'll try to wrap up because I don't know whether you can see it now because this time Soumya has arranged it in a different way, so I'll try to show you. medium length Chandrakala actually. Okay, I'll keep it down and show you. You can see. This will come. Earrings. Okay. Oh, sorry for that. I didn't read it properly. You can. That's what, guys. Length. If you can see, I don't know how to say. This is the length actually. I'll say pretty. It will cover half of her neck. So the whatever you see, you can see how much I was covered. My 4 fingers has covered. No, not four. Almost my 4 fingers has covered. So okay, I'll wrap up. This one is small only. You can see. So I'll wrap up. So we have colors in this. Okay, this is one model. So I hope the live will be clear. You can check it out and come back. Anyway, these are already been posted. You can check for the pictures. It will look same as the live. So we finish with that, and the chains we have 1, 2. This one is 3, and this is different. 4, and this one is 5. Okay. I don't know whether I have shown you this. So crystals we have. Okay, you can see this is shining, no? Oh my god, focus. You can see. Okay, so let's move on to the crystal. This is also already been posted. You can check it out. Okay, I didn't show you this. We have. This is very pretty, very lightweighted, guys. If you see, so lightweighted, and this look like this. And you will not feel that weighted. This is also my four fingers has covered. Yes. Thank you, Kritika. I couldn't read the comments this time. Let me see once I finish the live. Okay, this one I didn't show you guys. Okay, this is one pretty loop earrings. This we have one left. One left, I guess. Okay, this is also our best selling actually. Initially, when we start our pages, we have put this product. After that, we have got the stock. So when people inquire, no, that time we will be giving them. So that's why I never posted this. So this is 1 or 2 left with us. This is my favorite one. I have silver and gold in this. Now we have only silver. But we tried to restock we couldn't get a hold on manufacturer actually. We thought of taking so much collections then posting, but we waited for 2 to 3 months. We couldn't get the hold of manufacturer, so that's why I'm posting it right away. We have a few crystal collections which will be coming up on next week as well. Let's hope I'll get more for you guys. So this Meenakari, you've already seen, and which I shown you that heart type earrings. Okay, so you can actually ask us anything, ping DMs. We all see you in DMs. Everything has been posted, Vicky. Price, I'm not aware. I guess everything has been posted in page, or you can check the live and come back to us also. We can tell you everything has been posted, so you can check it out. And if you want anything, let us know. Thank you, guys. I'm ending up the live.